now request Professor Dharmendra Singh from IITRoorkee and our coordinator and in charge of TCOE. He himself has a project and number of projects, but one of them is quite innovative. He would like to say what he has done and also what startups, innovators can possibly align with TCOEs in terms of R&D, in terms of what we can do together. So,
सभी को नमस्कार। खाने के बाद जो सबसे पहले चीज़ याद आती है कि एग्रीकल्चरल एक्टिविटी एंड वी आर वेल नोन फॉर द एग्रीकल्चरल डेवलपमेंट एंड द एग्रीकल्चरल थिंग्स. So I am coordinating the TCOE center of the IIT Roorkee, and basically I am starting to speak in Hindi. Try कर रहा हूँ. So because and then I have developed one agriculture information system through satellite-based data. Because one thing which I am feeling that, and which I have felt that, which is missing, everybody is talking the agriculture, but a lot of very good things we have, but how to disseminate the information, how to club together for the market, for the economic planner or for the different planner. For that purpose, I have developed one system. Already it is working for Uttarakhand, and for the rest, UP and Punjab, maybe in 1 or 2 months it will be going to work. And for the whole India, we are trying to develop for this. Where is that? Just. Pen drive. So basically, the satellite data-based agriculture information system. And another very important thing, once we are talking for the Indian context, that is the cost effectiveness. Nowadays, everybody is talking IoT, etc. This is just some lucrative word maybe, but how useful it is in a cost-effective way, that we must have to think about that, because still we are living in a poor country, and we must have to think about the what we are going to spend. So I am not going to detail. That is one of the major deficiency, as I have mentioned, that to get the information. There are 3 parts of the agriculture. 1, farmer. 2nd, government planner. And 3rd one, like us, we have a land, we want to do some farming and something like that. And then how to monitor the land in a way of the crop health, in a way of the yield prediction, and in a way of the increasing the efficiency. That is one of the most important thing which we have to consider while developing the any agriculture information system. So already I have developed the system. This is the ICT. I will show you some slides. I don't want to waste technology involved, as I have mentioned that. Nowadays a lot of satellite data are available. That is a very poor resolution, but it is freely available. So now the challenge starts, as a researcher, how we can use it effectively. And that is one of the main purpose of this project, to use the freely available satellite data, use some cloud computing approach, and while that any user can see the various agriculture related information, what may be he required. So for example, gaps identified is still in India, that is a missing. Missing is in one platform you should have all the type of information like crop health, yield prediction, whatever it is. So benefits, I am not going to discuss, n number of benefits are there. So here planning, planting, growing, because every year we are listening that due to the lack of the planning and all, storage facilities are not there or whatever is not there. Working of the AI system which I have developed, freely available satellite data, that is very important. Then I have used the Reliance Jio Cloud. Now it is working, operational, only operational. Reliance Jio Cloud, all the data are automatically downloaded on the cloud, and then using the different process, we are giving the various information of this one. We are also developing the mobile-based app and I think that in 1 or 2 months after that, it will be available in the, for the users. So for the system has advantage, two things, land cover monitoring. Then another very important thing, change detection means how much land last year was vegetated and how much land this year people have used for vegetation or for sowing. That is a very important information, crop health, soil moisture, and all these things we are doing in a real-time processing. Market link, yield prediction, decision support system. So I am not going to show you, I just want to show the, and if you want, you can write down, this is the prototype which we have developed, where we are getting the information like that. You can see that, where we are getting last year in 2014, how much water area was there, how much urban area was there, how much vegetated area was there, and in 2013, how much there. So anybody can get the information what kind of land has been changed for the cropland to the wetland, or wetland to the cropland, or urban to the any other land. So this system, I will give you the access also. So you can check because it is alpha testing is going on. For example, you can see that this is the crop health. NDVI is the indicator for the crop health. So in last year, it is we have all 13 districts of the Uttarakhand taken that. In the last year, what was the health, and this is a predictor for the different health conditions. And another very important thing, just like a child growth, you know also that last year at the same week, what was the growth condition, and this year what is the growth condition, and then you can compare that. And this last figure which I am showing that, this is a very important figure. This shows the every week crop growth. Purpose is that farmer does not require this type of information because he used to go the farmland and he used to see that. But for the monitoring purpose, this information is very much required, and we are going to put a threshold. If this values are going to less than this, then automatically some email or some SMS will be go to the concerned authority to check that what is happening in this district, why the crop health is not doing quite well. Second, as I have mentioned that, this is again the change detection process. Year-wise you can get the how much crop was vegetated last year and how much this is, and what is the change map. So and just you can note down the URL. This is already working. That URL is 49.40.4.187. Password is A and A. Password and username, user ID is the A and A. So you can check that. And if any, because alpha testing is going on, if anything you can suggest, I will welcome to your suggestion that. And so this is what I have mentioned, that you can see maximum information with a very, very cheap way through this system. And all the information, land cover area, change cover, change maps, prototype of AIS. Already 2 modules, and we are developing the drought monitoring, flood monitoring system, and we will be putting all these things in the same platform. And this web-based, SMS-based AIS development is in a process, and very soon I think that in 4 or 5 months we will be going to apply this one also. I thanks to Railtel for providing fund. It is a type of a research-oriented project to develop a proof of concept how to use the satellite data for this agriculture information system. And thanks to Reliance Jio, because you know that satellite data is very heavy, and since last 10 years we have a data, so, and they have provided their cloud. Team members, thanks for patience. If any, why I came here, why I am presenting here, because there was 2 reasons. As a TCOE center in charge, I used to convey that if some ideas are there with you, so you can correlate or you can connect you with some TCOE center also, because we are trying to develop all these things. And as for the running this project, because I want to run this project for the whole India, so we need really extra funds. So how to run this project in a large scale level. Okay, thank you very much. I have finished in 5 minutes.